I learned at a young age that there's 8 laces on a football. What it smells like and looks like and feels like. It's amazing. Once you get inside those white lines, it's just in my DNA.
You have these lifelong relationships with you, concerned about them, they're concerned about you. And teamwork extended, not just on game day, but being the full person that you were hoping to be.
It's a big boys game. It's a collision sport, and we're acutely aware of some of the side effects that go along with this game we play.
We've been asked for years, what does this mean for my long-term health that I participated in a contact sport? Up till now, that conversation has largely been driven by an absence of information. This will be the first study that looks at the long-term brain health implications of a football career in a meaningful way that's scientifically valid.
NFL football players had the best doctors in isolation. This may be the first time they've had an evaluation by doctors that also work together as a team.
When you genuinely have a team of experts that come together across so many different disciplines with so many different areas of expertise, you can deliver a comprehensive assessment of someone's brain health to an extent that had never been achieved before.
And the collaboration between Harvard and Pittsburgh is poised to provide transformational insights into the game of football.
This is a really big collaborative effort. Harvard and the University of Pittsburgh are two world-class institutions coming together to look at the risks and benefits of playing football. We're building a partnership to accelerate discoveries and support the work that needs to be done around assessing and understanding brain health. We're looking for novel ideas that are transformational for former players.
We will ask retired football players to join us, help us do this science. We also need the control group to say, is professional football associated with some of those brain changes?
The right knowledge is very powerful, and that's why I'm here. I'm here to help in many ways that I can.
Being called a first black middle linebacker to play in the history of the National Football League, I found myself being first to do numerous things. It was important to me to try to take the data I had, share it with others, and save one person's life.
A very important part of research is confidentiality. This is not anything that is going to be accessible by anybody except for the study team, and only those on the study team who really need to know have access to that information.
The NFL has funded the study, and we're very thankful for that they've stepped up, but their involvement stops there. This is an independent, balanced, objective look at this issue. We've also published about 250 to 300 peer-reviewed articles and research studies. There's a lot of experience in our group of researchers in looking at these issues.
We built a program that we called Team TBI, and we opened the doors to any veteran with a history of having sustained multiple concussions or multiple traumatic brain injuries. We look forward to taking the lessons learned from Team TBI, elevating the technologies that we are putting into play for this study, and being able to do this at an even higher level.
What I ask players to look at is the benefit this will have on the sport, and also the benefit this will have on themselves in terms of understanding their brain health.
For me to share my experience with other former teammates or colleagues, we're going to make a difference in a lot of people's lives.
I think without science, I would not be sitting here at 74 years of age without anything being wrong with me. And if my data could help save one person's life, it was worth the time to do it.